Welcome to EntrySign, the signature sign-in and visitor management system providing a professional and personalized visitor experience. EntrySign is suitable for all industries and organizations who would like to efficiently manage their staff, visitors, contractors, and any people who need to sign in across one or multiple locations. Reduce administration time, access important real-time data and reports, and improve workplace security, safety, and compliance. Every EntrySign system is customizable to suit your needs and includes an exclusive front screen design, styled to suit your brand. Pre-book visitors ahead of their appointment and send a professional email to confirm their visit. Staff, visitors, and contractors can sign in and out seamlessly in a variety of ways, whether it's self-service, touch-free, app, or RFID. We can help you make the best decision for your requirements. An email or SMS notification can be sent to the meeting host automatically when their visitor has successfully signed in. Collect the information you need by tailoring the sign-in process with customizable data fields, questions, and policies, and filter this data with just a click of a button. Link important documents to users, and EntrySign will notify you of their expiry dates. For better data compliance, EntrySign can ask visitors if they consent to their data being stored, and in privacy strict mode can sanitize certain data if required. In an emergency situation, see a live evacuation report of exactly who was on site and access this via a mobile or tablet device with the EntrySign live web app. With the touch of a button, evacuation reports can be emailed to multiple email addresses or printers in seconds, and integrating with your fire alarm system can automate this process. EntrySign has a range of integrations, and you can even write your own to synchronize systems, improving efficiency and workflow. Sign in, secure, and safeguard your people and premises with EntrySign.